Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to import and export the contacts from your SIM card into your phone or just into your SIM card, whatever you wish. So go to your phone here, and here 3 dots on the right, and here you have import and export. And you have the option to do is your import from the SIM card 1 or 2 if you have in your phone, export to the SIM card, import or export to VCF file, or share visible contacts from your phone. Now we're gonna import some contacts from SIM card 1. Let's try with this. To select that, press OK. Voila, our contacts is one now imported into our phone. As you see, display option, let's gonna see, and that's it. As you see in this icon, the phone says us to the contact is in the SIM1. As you see, this is the logo of SIM card, and here you have contact into your phone. So there are both contact which we are import from our SIM card, and that's it. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment, and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.